Hi, welcome to the Monday Makers channel.
We work at an Israeli tech company called Monday.com, and I think we actually landed the best job in the world.
Absolutely. I'll give you some examples of things that we do. We built the doorman, which is a system that manages guests that arrive to the building. We designed the actual physical workstations that all the employees work on. We built smart buttons that, for example, order pizza. We built a system that indicates if the shower rooms are available or not. We built a dancing rat show. We made a cookie dispensing machine.
Okay, I think that's enough for now.
We're not part of the R&D team, not part of the marketing team. We're an actual team of its own. We are the maker team. And we work on projects that are supposed to make the office a smarter office, more useful, more fun, more productive. Typically, I take more of the tech side. I do software, electronics, robotics, multimedia.
I'm more of product design, 3D printing, manufacturing, woodworking, metalworking, casting.
And we make everything here in our Fab Lab. So everything you're gonna see on this channel is real stuff that we're working on for our real jobs. We're gonna walk you through the process of how we brainstorm, design, and implement every project. We're gonna share tips, or if you have an idea for how to improve office space, make it more fun, more cool, more productive, let us know so we can gear our future videos to things that interest you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't seem happy with it.